Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 5 Bluebirds. Let's take a quick sneak peek. What's up everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review from the channel. Welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade gear items on there. So as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 5 Bluebirds. This is a great colorway. Again, this was a women's exclusive. So we're going to start off by talking about the overview on these, followed by size and fit. I had such a great time styling this light color, and then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. All right, so let's jump right into the overview. So starting with this nice suede that we've got here, this is such a potent light baby blue colorway that really just pops off of this silhouette. We've got the matching baby blue laces with that baby blue lace lock and clear tassel there. The metallic silver really just pops off of this 3M tongue. We've got that Jumpman again in that silver color scheme woven on top of that metallic sparkling tongue. And then we've got just nice blue lace locks going on the sides here on the eyelets. So let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. Right, so moving on to the side panels, you'll notice that we've got more of this blue suede, and it works its way to the back of that collar. Working our way up, we've got this kind of dark metal metallic-y color for the collar. The insole is a nice pop of gray, and as we work our way to the other side, we've got more of that suede hue in the baby blue color scheme. My favorite part of the shoe by far has to be the silver accents that you're going to see on the midsole here, on the shark teeth, as well as the back of that heel counter. You'll see that we've got more of that really beautiful metallic silver that really just pops quite nicely with that light blue colorway. Then we've got intermixed some charcoal gray, and the shoe is then complete with that translucent outsole. So now let's move into sizing. So again, this was a woman's exclusive. So I am a woman size 9. I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have high arch and narrow feet, so if you do have wider flat feet, this could differentiate a size that works best for you. But on this one, I would say that this fits me perfectly. All right, now let's jump right into styling. So much fun styling this colorway. It's different than anything I have in my collection, so I really wanted to kind of actually go polar opposite with colorway for the first look. This is giving me kind of some pastel vibes, so I wanted to wear a nice kind of pastel color scheme. This was just a light purplish pink colorway that I decided to wear with this, and I matched the purple pinkish pants with a matching hoodie, which I think really actually made these shoes pop quite nicely, and then they became kind of the statement piece on that first look. Second look, I wanted to make it more subdued, so I wore a beige dress and I layered that with a nice button-down plaid top and some nice gray and blue hues, which I think pulled quite nicely off of the colorway and the silhouette. Last look, I decided to keep it nice and casual with my Jordan logoed sweatpants in this cream colorway. I then matched that with a nice baby blue tank top, and I wrapped this sweatshirt around it, which gives off this nice kind of charcoaly grayish color, and I think it matched it quite nicely. All of them kind of just came together and blended together as one. So you let me know out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style these shoes?
But I can hear my beating heart, gotta fall into my own arms. Second chances come around all the time, and happiness is nothing but a state of mind. So take me somewhere blue, take me somewhere blue, take me somewhere blue, take me somewhere blue, take me somewhere blue where I can breathe, where the weight in my soul starts to ease. I've been fighting the divine and war with my own mind, wishing for some change, looking for a connection to give life some meaning and free me from my own cage. I'm sick of feeling low, I can see the stars shine, but I can hear my beat
now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. These retailed at $190 and they are currently going around $200 to $275. Depending on what size you are, the larger sizes are doing a little bit better than the smaller sizes since this was a woman's exclusive. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks so much everybody for tuning in. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our amazing merch store. That's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next one.